Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. Let me quickly add them to the home page. Let's enter, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper section. And here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the photos and pre-installed wallpapers. So let me tap on this option. And as you can see here, we've got the pre-installed wallpapers from which you can choose. Simply tap on the specific wallpaper to check whether you like it or not. And if you are ready, simply tap on set wallpaper in the left upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.